Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Anker 521 charger. Now, I want to give you the number because it's important to understand the number, Anker 521. So let's take a look at this thing. See, we'll open it up. And I needed a lot of charging ports with USB-C, and that's what this thing is all about. So, it's a small little guy, but it packs a lot of power. So this has IQ Plus technology. That's their terms. And it's from Anker. And if you look at it, it's got two USB-C ports. So now I can plug this into the power strip and I can plug in two USB devices and I'm all set. So I love it. It's a nice little compact. It weighs pretty good, but it's got good power. And they give you little instructions that come with it. That's it. That's the Anker dual USB-C charger. Thank you.